Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I want to chat about finding calm during moment of stress or challenging times. No one wants to feel stress, but knowingly or unknowingly, stress and anxiety is the thing we came across to. And we all have our own right way to deal with it. In this video, I'm going to share 7 simple methods that always help me find comfort and calm on those challenging days where I don't feel my best. I want to talk about is having a shift in our mindset when it comes across to stress. It's really easy to just go deep into a situation and build stress and then overthink on the same. But we have sort of ability to control our perception of the things and how we perceive things, and that goes for stress as well. Sometimes we also have to give a thought on how we allow the things to affect us or how we handle it. So there is a chart which I came across and follow for a little while now, which essentially a way to look into it and decide whether we can just let it go or do something about it. So here is the thing. If we are worried of something, first we have to think we can do something about it or not. If no, then let it go. If yes, then do it. This is a very simplified version on how we just decide to deal with the life. Sometimes it's just easier said than done. But we have to just sort this out and come to the point, and I guarantee you, you will feel more sorted, liberated by getting into the root of it. I don't feel like to do anything, taking some time, stepping away to different environment always helps me to reset and refocus and not dwelling on the same stress again. It could be as simple as like moving to different room, standing in the balcony for few minutes helps a lot. Changing environment will make you to shift your thoughts and relax your mind. Stepping outside and walking in the nature for 10 minutes always gives me calm and teach me patience at the same time. Being outside, taking the fresh air or just connecting with the nature always helps me clear my head and staying in the present moment. It gives me a lot of comfort, and also by simply paying an attention in different pace for a while I am able to process my thoughts for different direction, which always helps me to re-energize and ready to go again. By concentrating the moment which you have will make you complete the thing on your plate and also helps you to release the worries which many of time we overthink. It will also helps you to control what you have rather thinking about the things which you can't. My next point here I want to chat about is do something you love. So the idea of finding fun is sometimes is the luxury we don't have time for, especially when we have a lot on our plate. But doing something we enjoy, even it's for a while, can be really a great way for us to recharge ourselves. This is the tactics of mindfulness. Even without noticing it, you are at your best that particular time. During this time, we just kinda not thinking about the stress situation and not worried about past or future. We are just focused on the things we are doing at that moment. Whether it's sports or DIY around the house or decorating a place for you, finding our happy place for a little while not only helps us to get our mind of things, but it also gives us the space that we need to renew our energy and heal so we can better tackle our worries later on. Thing I always go for. During the stress, we really hold a lot of tension in our bodies. And this can take to a number of issues like body aches and pains. Stretching has numerous benefits helping circulation and release tension. and it can be extremely calming as it forces us to slow down and move our bodies and mindfully tune into the sensation with each stress. Recently, I'm enjoying following yoga videos. This is a great way for me to not only stretch and strengthen, it also helps me to connect with my breath, which has really helped me to ease some of the tension. This is something is overlooked most of the times. But one of the effective way to handle and release stress is to connect with our breathing. Connecting with my breathing makes me more calm and relaxed, and that's because long, slow, deep breath activates our parasympathetic nervous system. This reduces blood pressure and calms our muscle tension and slows down the heart rate and make our mind calm. Any time of the day, try to concentrate just for few minutes and reconnect with your breathing. All you have to do is just take note of your breathing. So here is how I do. I inhale for 2 seconds, hold for 1 second and exhale for 4 seconds. I can guarantee you if you try, you will feel much more relaxed and calm. And sharing your thoughts with someone you trust is a great way to release stress and relax your anxiety. Being in the company of people we love or trust can offer a lot of comfort, and working with our worries together with somebody else usually allows to the new ideas and solution to be brought to the table that we may not think of it if we are on our rut. Staying connected with loved ones and checking upon them will also help us to make our mind relaxed and happy at the same time. Having a difficult time, it can be easy for us to criticize ourselves and judge for not being able to stand up to the task. Our thoughts have immense power. Having an overall positive mindset and thoughts will really help in our challenging times. Learning to be kinder to myself during my tough times is an ongoing journey for me. One of the way I develop self-compassion is by giving my mind a hearty dose of positivity. That is by reading positive affirmations or books that inspire me or listening to podcasts. Practicing positive affirmation helps me a lot to divert negative thinking. I have my 3 favorite anti-stress positive affirmation which I really write whenever I feel depressed. I have written several times in my notebook, diary, and sharing this with you all too. All problems have a solutions. Everything will fall in place in the end. Whatever it is, I will handle it. These are the tips I want to share with you all today, and I hope you found it helpful. There are many ways to handle stress, and everyone handles it differently. So I would love to know how you handle your stressful situation. Leave me a comment below one way that really helps you to reduce stress, and I would love to read it out. And please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and share with anyone who needs it. And I will see you all in my next video. Until then, bye bye.